Now children, unlike the status of women, there was another inequality that was existing in French society, that was the system of slavery. Yes, it was very common system that was existing in most of the European countries, in which France was also one of the leading country to keep slaves, to buy the slaves, to sell the slaves, and to exploit the slaves. So let's see what was the status, for what purpose the slaves were kept, and this whole system of slavery was known what. So here children, first the Caribbean colonies. Caribbean colonies means the small islands which lies in Caribbean Sea. So like West Indies, Haiti, these are the islands which lies in Caribbean Sea. Unlike Haiti and West Indies, number of other islands also lies, and these islands were the colonies of many European countries. So these Caribbean colonies were the suppliers of tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. Yes, there were the number of plantation sites where the people were growing tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee, and all these were the cash crops. To work on these plantation sites, the people need laborers, but the European workers were not agreed to work at distant lands. Children, on here on the map you can see this is the European country, and this is the Caribbean Sea colony. Here you can see this along the coast of this. These are the Caribbean colonies. Here you can see this is the West Indies, and children, here you can see this is Africa. So this the European people were not agree to go here and to work. So how from where these people were getting workers to work on their plantation sites? To meet the shortage of labor at plantation sites, a triangular slave trade was flourishing between Europe, America and Africa continent. Children, here on the map you can see this is America. America means where the Caribbean colonies were locating. This is the European countries, and this is the Africa. Africa by that time was considered as a dark continent, means there was no civilization, there was no development, and poverty was existing over there. So that is why, and the original residents of this Africa were known as the Negroes, those who were having dark skin colors. That was the tribal community which was belonging to Africa. And from there, because Africa was also the colony of France and Britain, so from here the French people, the French merchants were coming to Africa. Here you can see with the help of arrow, they were traveling to Africa. From there they were buying the slaves from their chieftains, and they took these slaves to West Indies, where they sold these slaves to the plantation owners, and then these plantation owners were exploiting these slaves to cultivate their crops. And this tobacco and sugar, all these were used as a raw material. Further, this was transferred to other European countries, where it was manufactured, it was converted into the final goods, and again the final good was sold in Africa or in other colonies lying across the world. So in this way, this triangular slave trade was flourishing in between the three continents, the Europe, Africa and America. This slavery system began in 17th century and was operated by two seaports of France, that were the Bordeaux and Nantes. Bordeaux and Nantes, these were the two seaports located on the French western coast of France. In the next slides I will show you the